I have with me today the Lego Apollo Saturn V rocket. This carried Apollo 11 to the moon with the moon landing. It has 1969 pieces, and this thing is pretty big. So we're gonna box it, and we're gonna do a speed build video of it. I'm not a Lego creator. I mostly create games and gaming content like flight sims and stuff, and aviation vlogs and other stuff. But all spacecraft were once aircraft until they reach orbit, so that fills our needs. So we're gonna box it and build it now. So let's go. This thing is big. It's like a meter tall or something. That's what it says. So this is a cover. Better close up. We're gonna box it now. I just want to show you this part. There's all the rocket stages because each part of the rocket separates, and then you get the little lander, and then you got the recovery vehicle that splashes down the ocean at the end. So let's open it. Bag 1, 2. I'm not gonna film all of that. That's a wrap. That's all the parts in one spot. Then it came with this. So I'm gonna open it and show you a part of it. Here's the instruction manual. Here's the back of it. Alright. Some history and stuff on the Apollo program. Each stage and what it does. And all the crap for the moon landing. The people who designed it, I guess. It's in different languages. So I guess this set was made by a fan or something. That's why it's like that. And here's your color instructions. This does not have any stickers in it. So I prefer it like that because I don't want like the stickers scraping off. So we're gonna build it now. All right, here's what it looks like fully assembled. So the measurements say 39.37 inches, I think. That's how tall it is. In the metric system, it would be exactly 1 meter. You also got your Apollo lunar lander with the 4 small guys. And then you got the recovery vehicle with the floating thing. And then you got these 3 stands. So I'm going to show you how to actually stand it up with this because it's kind of tricky. This is how the instructions want you to display it. So the big part with the yellow is going to go right here, and then the 2 reds are going to go in the center. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, let me pick this up. This is going to go right here. Then these 2 are going to go right here. This one is slightly taller, so put it over here. That way it's easier. These 2 are the same size, so you can spread them out if you want. Personally, I don't like displaying it like this because, well, I don't have the room to display it normally, but the height to me gives it away, like it being a masterpiece. My only concern about this build was it's sturdy, but it's this part that like sort of pops off. So just be careful with that. But yeah, the video doesn't really do this thing justice. Check out the engines, USA. And the thing sort of separates on each stage if you want to do it like that. I'm not going to do it like that, but I love how it's displayed like this. I'm not sure if you can see that. Look how tall that is compared to the box. That's why I said if you're going to display it like that. But yeah, first time building any sort of spacecraft. I'm not really, I like space stuff, but my thing is mostly aviation. But this is too cool not to post. So that was all for this video.